Hello, everyone, and welcome to a journey of love, compassion, and self discovery. Today, we are diving deep into a simple yet profound truth: love all, and you can. Love all, and you can. This powerful message is not just about spreading kindness, it is about unlocking your true potential and creating a ripple effect that changes the world. Let's explore how love can transform your life and the lives of those around you. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. It has the capacity to heal, unite, and inspire. But what does it truly mean to love all? It is more than a warm feeling, it's a mindset, a way of living that embraces everyone regardless of their background, beliefs, or circumstances. Loving all begins with self awareness. Ask yourself, how do I view the people around me? Are there biases or judgments holding me back from offering unconditional kindness? Recognizing these barriers is the first step towards cultivating love for all. Every small act of love counts. You don't need a grand gesture to make a difference. A smile, kind word, or helping hand can brighten someone's day and remind them they are not alone. They are not alone. To love others deeply, you must first love yourself. Self love is not selfish, it is essential. Take time to nurture your mind, your body, your soul. When you are at peace with yourself, you are better equipped to share that peace with others. Loving all means embracing diversity. Our differences make us unique, but love unites us. Celebrate the richness of cultures, traditions, and perspectives. When we approach others with curiosity and respect, we break down barriers and build bridges. Loving all is not limited to people, it extends to our planet and all living beings, all creatures, everything. Show love for the earth by protecting its beauty and resources. Small actions like reducing waste and conserving energy demonstrate your care for future generations. Listening is one of the most profound ways to show love. In a world filled with noise, offering your undivided attention is a gift. When you truly listen, you validate others' experiences and create meaningful connections. Gratitude amplifies love. Take a moment to reflect on the people and experiences that have enriched your life. Expressing gratitude not only strengthens your relationship but also shift your mindset to one of abundance and joy. Love also means forgiveness. Holding onto grudges only weighs you down. Letting go of resentment liberates you and paves the way for healing. Forgiveness does not erase the past, but it transforms the future. History is filled with examples of individuals who chose love over hate. Their legacies remind us that love is the ultimate catalyst for change. You too have the power to inspire others through your actions. Love all, and you can achieve more than you ever imagined. Love transforms fear into courage, division into unity, and scarcity into abundance. It begins with you. Start today and watch how the world around you changes. Thank you for joining us. Spread love and let's create a brighter future together. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this message of love. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.